As the camera pans to mailbox's golden envelope sparkles in sunlight. Nirvi opens it. Nyra watches eagerly. It's written as a golden invitation to the Sweet Whirl Chocolate Factory. This day just got delicious. Nirvi and Nyra reach the Sweet Whirl Chocolate Factory. The girls run towards a towering candy-themed factory. Chocolate-scented steam puffs into the air. Mr. Wiggletop waves to them. As the gates creaked open, a candy wonderland unfolded. Gumdrop bridges, cotton candy trees, and a river made entirely of chocolate. Nyra says, "Wow, is this even real?" A volcano bubbles with chocolate lava. Inside the chocolate volcano room, the girls run to dip the strawberries into it. And both the little ones dip their strawberries. Next stop, the gumdrop garden, where rainbow-colored candies bloomed like flowers. As little Nyra was playing and singing, suddenly, popped a giggleberry gumdrop which grew from her tune. Now they go to the Candy Invention Lab. In a lab where they are full of spinning gears and candy machines, ideas turned into sweets. Nirvi presses a button in a machine and says, "Oops. What does this do?" Suddenly, popcorn popped and danced across the room. Finally, the kids reach the Hall of Sweet Dreams, where the kids can make their own chocolates. In the final room, Nyra tries to make her own chocolate and says, "I'll call it as Nyra's Magical Crunch." The girls crafted their own magical chocolate bars and named them as N&N chocolate bars and sit on a table and display them. Finally, the little girls Nirvi and Nyra come out of the chocolate factory. Mr. Wiggletop hands out goodie bags as the girls smile. They waved goodbye with goodie bags in hand and chocolates in their smiles. As the sun dipped low, Nirvi and Nyra walked home, dreaming of their next sweet adventure.